Hello, friends. Welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English.
We are very happy you are here today. Thank you for listening. And if you enjoy our lessons, remember to like and subscribe. It helps other learners find us and join our community.
Today, we have a fun topic. We will help you stop saying very good all the time.
Yes, many beginners use very good in every situation, but English has many better, more precise words.
In this episode, we will teach you 5 of them, and you will listen, learn, and then listen again with examples.
Good job for being here. Let's start.
Our first new word is excellent. Repeat after me. Excellent.
Excellent. One more time. Excellent.
We use excellent when something is extremely good or the best quality. For example, instead of saying, your presentation was very good, you can say, your presentation was excellent.
Let's make it interactive. Friends, think of something excellent in your life right now. Maybe your breakfast, your teacher, or your weekend plans. Say it out loud. My was excellent. Nice! You're improving already.
Our second word is impressive. Repeat after me. Impressive.
Impressive.
We use impressive when something makes you feel surprised in a good way. It is better than you expected. For example, instead of saying, your progress in learning English is very good, say, your progress in learning English is impressive.
Let's practice. I will say a sentence and you decide if impressive fits. Ready? My friend learned 200 new English words in 1 month.
Yes, that is impressive.
Great job. You are listening well.
Now our third word, delicious. Repeat after me. Delicious.
Delicious.
We use delicious when food or drink tastes very good. For example, instead of saying, this cake is very good, say, this cake is delicious.
Let's pretend we are at a cafe. Keanu, what are you eating?
I am eating a chocolate cookie.
And how is it?
It is delicious.
Nice. Friends, now you try. Think of your favorite food. Say, my favorite food is delicious.
That sounded great.
Our fourth word is helpful. Repeat after me. Helpful.
Helpful.
We use helpful when something gives useful support. For example, instead of saying, thank you, your advice was very good, you can say, thank you, your advice was very helpful.
Lovely. Can you give me helpful advice today?
Of course. Drink water, take breaks, and listen to English every day.
That advice is helpful.
Friends, think of someone who helps you, maybe a teacher, a parent, or a friend. Say this sentence, you are very helpful. Nice, you are practicing well.
And now our fifth word, fascinating. Repeat after me, fascinating.
Fascinating.
We use fascinating when something is extremely interesting and you want to keep watching or learning more. For example, instead of saying, the documentary about space was very good, you say, the documentary about space was fascinating.
Keanu, what do you find fascinating?
I think the ocean is fascinating. It is deep, mysterious, and full of life.
Friends, tell us in your mind, what is fascinating to you?
Great answer. I know it. Today, we learned 5 new, precise words you can use instead of saying very good.
Excellent, impressive, delicious, helpful, and fascinating.
Try using these words every day. Use them with your friends, your teachers, or even when you talk to yourself while practicing English.
Good job for staying with us until the end. You are making impressive progress.
If this episode was helpful, remember to like and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson.
Thank you for listening, and thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.